Hey, it's Ryan Oyster here, and I'm back at it with another video. But this time we are back in Saints Row the Third with the third video. So, this might be kind of a special if I could find something to do. Hold on, I need to access crib. Let me turn down this volume because it's loud. So, in my garage, this are the cars I have. I have the Phoenix, which is a really nice car, and then the Temptress. Now, this is also a very nice car. They're both upgraded completely. So let's take the Phoenix Retrieve. So I would like to talk about something that happened, which is in my second video of Saints Row, I got a copyright notice from YouTube, or like the people who made the game. It was like from a third party or something. So that's why I can't have music in the background now. So I want to do that thing. You see those vehicle thieves and assassinations? I would like to try the assassination. So Saints book, assassination. So drug ringleader won't play ball with Saints. Taking a permit dive, crooked cop. Let's kill this guy because he looks weird. Select target. Okay, so where do I find him? Use this icon to locate your target. Okay, map. Where is he? Okay, so let's go like this. I don't see him. Where is he? Back. Saints book. Assassinations. This guy. Where is he? Location, the Groove, or the Grove. So where's the Grove, or the Groove? Maps. Okay, so we're looking for the Groove. I might just like go over him, and I'm gonna feel really stupid if I can't find him, but I do not see him at all. Alright, well, I guess we're not doing that. So, yeah, who is that guy? That's a bad guy. Alright, but yeah, you like my car? It's pink. I know. And then, look, turbo. Okay, so I'm following the blue line, because that's apparently to where this guy is. So yeah, we're gonna do an assassination, and I've recorded the third video, out of the way, video on this, but my recording messed up and the game lagged. All right, this way. Drifting is like super smooth in this game. Let's see if I can get going top speed and do a nice drift. Here we go. Watch. Well, I didn't want to crash into him. And, you know, when you're under pressure, you never do as well. Alright, boosts. Ooh, look at these near misses. Alright, so where's my guy that I need to assassinate? Hold on, let's go to tab. Saints book, assassinations, this dude. Deselect, select target. Okay, so let's find him. Follow the contractor's instructions. Where is he?
Someone should take away your license.
It said the Grove. That's liquor. Alright, let's go into friendly fire and see if we can buy this place. Yes, I bought friendly fire. 5% discount. Alright, cool. Let's see if we can go in. Let's see what we can get. Buy and upgrade weapons. Okay, price. Okay, so I don't have very much money. Let's accept. Let's walk out. But I cannot. Huh. Boom. RKO. But yeah, this is a very fun open world game. But I have no clue where my assassination target is. So, yeah, I would like to go to an airport. So let's look up music, camera mode, disabled, enabled. Oh no, disable that. Back. Upgrades. Let's do abilities, dual wield pistols, don't have enough money. Okay. So let's see what else we got. Nope, music's copyright, forgot about that. Cash. Okay, so hourly city income, accept. Actually, so let's do a movement. Let's do a mission. I wish I could do like free roam stuff, but it's just like I don't really have ideas to do. Like in GTA 5, there's like a lot more to do. I'd probably still be bored, like, because I have a lot of ideas, but like this guy named Jacksepticeye, who's another YouTuber, he does most of those ideas, or I get ideas from him, and I don't want to be like I'm copying him. But I do want to actually try out GTA 5 if I'm able to get that game. Alright, so let's see how fast we can get to this place. Ooh. So since I bought that, do I have 5% discount in all of the Friendly Fire stores or only that Friendly Fire? Alright.
Hey, you know the best place to start selling? Let's cut right to the heart of this shit.
Nope.
Morningstar territory.
We have to zero.
There's a lot of city. The documents we got with those
Alright, so I guess we're riding in the passenger seat.
Shit, why did you say so? What we got in stock? Got some basic merchandise.
So protect.
Shirts and lunch boxes. Alright, anything else? Well,
Okay, so I guess we're just gonna sit here and
we wanted fans.
wait as this goes. And we got our pistol. I don't see anyone to shoot though.
Turn on the chart.
Okay, so protect her.
Y'all just fighting for second place.
Let's go. Are you part of this? Whose part? Alright, we got him. Coolio. You. What are you doing? You crazy? Stay back. Everyone stay back and we'll be okay. Do I have to protect you too? So get in. Come on. Alright, let's go. Come on, die.
Got any advice on
Got him.
Yeah, and with or else. I don't.
Let's see if we can hit him.
Man, you gonna trash all right.
There we go. Got him. Alright, we can. Way back, dude. Alright. I guess then we'll just. Have a grenade. Have a grenade. Oh. Pistol.
Just like old times.
Let's take him out. Take out the driver. Alright, we hit her. I mean, not the best. Sorry if this gets a bit boring. So, come on, go faster. Out of the way. Die.
Still driving this thing? I'm seeing us stop right there.
You want to go, huh? Come at me. Alright, we got. Let's go. Huh. Die.
Still the best.
Alright, we got our hostage. Hey. Die. Come on, we get him. Come on, get him. Come on, let's go. Ah. Ah. Ho! RKO! Ha! Ouch. Where's the chopper? Ouch. Huh. Die, 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 die. We got him. Alright. Die. 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 Alright, let's go. So do we get in the car? Come on, get in the car.
Pierce, you're a fucking natural. Fuck right I am. You ever managed the planet?
Come on.
Not cool. Worst fucking driver.
Ah, stupid cops. Alright, go. Are you kidding me? We have a flat tire. Couldn't we have taken our car? Or like a better car? Come on.
Fix that. Let's pick this up another technique. Hey, Marty.
Die! Am I seriously not hitting them? Alright, we're good. Let's go. Woo! Successful mission. 2 grand. Alright, we almost got 6 respect. $93 per hour more. Trafficking. Let's go. Alright, let's steal a bike. Hey.
I love riding these machines.
Alright, let's go. Alright. Oh, no, music. Check it off. Alright, let's go. Okay, we're gonna do some stunts. Alright, so I think this is leading us towards our assassination, so hopefully we can get there and do that. Or if it's leading us to the next mission, we'll probably just do that. Because there's really, like, not too much you could really, like, not from what I know of. Because the map's kind of small. Alright, let's go this way. Whew! My voice is cracking. And it's sore because I was mountain biking a lot and it's really dry and hot in Texas. Alright, get on the bike. Let's go. Out of the way. Woo! Alright, we're gonna ride on the sidewalk because it's faster. Alright, let's go. You gain respect too for these kind of things like near misses, which is kind of cool. Ah, jeez. I don't know what respect does. If it just means you get... Ow! Did I die? What? Ouch! What the heck? Get on it. Ouch. Alright, this way. Let's go. Ass! Put your wheel down. Let's go. Alright. So, we're in the area of our assassination target. Is that him? No, it's a parking guy. Are you really trying to back up? Out of the way!
I win everywhere.
Alright. We're looking for the guy. I wonder where he is. Or we can just go... whoop. Alright. Ah! Boom. Warp back to shore. Alright, so here is the complete map for you guys. And when I say it's small, it's pretty dang small. So, I say we go on a tank rampage. GPS that. Let's see if we can GPS to that. Alright, now we need a car. Any car will do. Thank you for volunteering. You're a car. Alright, let's go. I think we lose the police if we get to my house. Not completely sure. Sorry, my voice sounds so bad. Ugh, I don't like having cracked voice. I like being nice and loud and clear. Alright, let's go. Missed my turn. Did you see these drifting skills? Watch this. I don't want to go to this stupid guy's place. I told you I GPS my house. GPS. There we go. Now it's GPS. At first it was blue and that wasn't where I wanted to go. Alright, so this is apparently like the downtown area. I hate this stupid mission. Okay, let me go in here. Back. Saints book. This. Select. Back. Map. This one. GPS. Escape. Now, let's go. I want to get there, but stupid mission thing kept like erasing my GPS, so I didn't know where to go. Alright, but apparently that area down further that way is like all of downtown. Alright, I want to go to a really tall building and like jump off of it, but I don't think that's really possible, so we're just gonna head out this way. I might edit parts of this out. I don't know for sure, like parts of me driving, so it's not as boring. But if I don't, I like to just kind of talk, so that way if I don't, I have it. Because, you know, anything can happen. In this game, anything could happen. I could crash and then start a gunfight, and I might not, you know, want to miss that. So I kind of talk and pretend like I will, and if I do edit it out, then so be it. Alright, let's go. I wonder how far away we are, but I do like driving around. This is a pretty fun car to drive. I wish I had my Phoenix or my Temptress one, but we'll get them once we get to the garage. Alright, here we go. Hold on, let me bookmark this on my GPS. No, tab. Map. Where am I right now? So right here, I need to remember right here, like in this top area by this, right here. This is an airport. Ooh, maybe we steal a jet. Oh, I wish you could like walk up there. Yeah, let's get a jet. Ooh, look at this. This is probably like a mission. 'Cause look at all those people. Alright, let's get in our car and let's drive. Ooh, let's get in one of these golf carts. Hopefully they didn't see me. Alright, let's go. Hopefully I can get in these jets and they're not just like here for decoration. I think they are though, which might suck. How do we take them over? Do we just like blow up everything here? Okay, let's use this. Alright, we gotta use this wisely. Sweet. And boom. Yes. Alright, let's see if we can blow them up or if these are just for decoration. Alright, so. Alright, we're hidden from sight. Hopefully the chopper can't see us. Ah! I wish we could get in these things. But I don't think... Oh! There's a jet down there! Ooh! Hup! 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 No! Don't get shot! I want to get to my jet, please! Hup! Get in! Okay, so... Okay. Oh, we got a jet. Whoo! Awesome! Look at this. We got a jet, guys. And some of you are like, duh, there's tons of jets in the game, but awesome. I love jets. They're like always so fun for me to like get in games and fly them around. Alright, so let's go up here. Alright, let's see if we could possibly parachute down onto this building and then we'll jump from here. Huh. Alright, we landed. Awesome. We landed on top of the helipad. Alright. Alright, ready? And jump. Ah! Jeez. No! Alright, we gotta find a way back up because I do not want to die. Not now. Not now. No. Did I get myself... No, there's steps up here. Good, 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 good. Hup. Alright. Run. Run. Hup. Ah. Hup. 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 Okay, now hup. Okay, now ready? Ho! Woo! Yeah! America! Let's see if we die. Somewhere over the rainbow. And relax. Shoot. Yeah, perfect. Alright. We need to get a car, like kind of a fast car. Alright, here we go, here we go. And we're gonna go to our house. And I don't think music comes on. I think I actually have it set so that it doesn't come on. Which could be helpful because that way I don't have to go in and do that. But if not, I just kind of do that just in case because I'm like, I don't want to get a copyright strike on my channel. I love my YouTube channel a lot. And I'm actually working to get it to the point where I can upload a video a day. I know that sounds like a lot, and it would be hard. So I think kind of a good schedule I would have is I'd let my videos render overnight, and then I would let them publish while I'm out school. And then, yeah, so basically I would record and edit a video and edit the thumbnail and all that one night, and then I would go in and let it like render from the editing software while I'm sleeping, and then the next day when it's morning I would let it upload while I'm at school, you know, doing stuff. So when I get home I literally just write my description, put in, you know, links, put in the title, which will take all less than 5 minutes. And then I would have, you know, a system so that every day, and so let's say I record for about a half hour, and then editing probably takes 20 minutes, depending on how hard the edit is. If the video needs no edits, it'll only take about maybe 5 to 10 minutes just to get in everything and sync it up. But if I need to edit because there's a lot of blanks and like time with just wasting, then I would, you know, have to edit those out, which could take up to 15 minutes. So let's say 20 minutes just saying extra, so 30 plus 20, 50 minutes total, and then a thumbnail is 20 minutes. So that's about an hour and 10 minutes out of my time. So I get home, school gets out about 3:05, let's say I get home at about 3:20. I'm just overestimating. So, and then I have homework till 4 o'clock, just saying, I normally don't. That means that I would definitely have enough time to do that, watch some of my own personal videos, like, because I do like to watch Jacksepticeye and watch things. So I would have enough time to do all that. And it says this is my house. Is this my own personal hangar? Guys, I have a hangar at my house with jets. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna get my car and drive around. I'm not gonna do that for this video, but I promise you. All right, we gotta buy this, guys. Hopefully, it's not too expensive. $15,000. Holy smokes! It says this is my house. Doesn't that mean I should be able to, like, go in and do stuff? Alright, let's see. Let me in. It's my house. According to this thing. Alright, so... Oh, nope. I know what we're going to do. For the last end of this video, we are taking a fire truck around. And we are going to have some fun with this. See, look. The music's on, but it's not playing. So I'm pretty sure last time I was in this, I, like, turned off the music completely. Beep, beep! Oh, there's a fire of blood! Oh, where are you going? Come back here. Oh, you are so getting wrecked. Alright. Honk, honk! Okay, wait, what about, can I, like, shoot the hose? Grenades! Grenades for everyone! Ganada! Hey, is this a school bus? Ugh. Oh, were you having a nice dinner tonight? I hope not. Ugh. Die! Everybody! Well, I really hope my webcam's in position. Hold on. There we go. Hopefully it was in position and it wasn't, like, too off-centered. Because this was a great video. So, I'm, like, not gonna stop it. But, like, I will feel kind of bad.
Y'all just fighting for second place.
Alright, we're gonna take out this car's. Boom! Look at this! This thing is an absolute beast! And since in Saints Row you're like a complete monster, you just roll in and take people out! Alright, so I will be leaving this video here, but thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.